Make sure to stay until the end. 90% even of the mechanics will do that mistake sooner or later. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a car guys. It could be any car and you replace brake pads guys. You replace brake pads or disc brake rotor, anything that requires working on the front brakes, and you have a scraping noise after that. You put the car together, you start driving and you have a scraping, grinding noise coming from the brakes. Stay with us, we'll explain what easy fix for that is guys. In some cases it's something super simple that most people will never think, and you start stressing out and get really worried. Stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that now. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So we'll be demonstrating on that BMW here, and we have a Dodge guys that we'll demonstrate on as well. What can easily cause a scraping wheel noise after brake pads or brake replacement. Now we have everything taken apart here. Before we get there, let me show you now on that Dodge. You guys replace the brake pads, right? You start moving the car driving and you hear a noise guys. You hear a noise like a grinding, scraping noise. You wonder what causes that now. Okay, and you're stressing out. Don't guys, it could be simple fix. Sometimes it could be something that you messed up with your brakes, so do not drive the car until you fix that problem. But in some cases it could be one simple fix that we will explain, and we're talking about that backing plate right there. That backing plate guys goes all the way around the brakes, you can see, and often when you remove the wheel can fall on it, okay, and it can start touching the rotor. And when that happens guys, or it can bend and touch the rotor, it will start scraping the rotor, and as a result guys, you have that scraping noise, that grinding noise. So backing plate that actually guys was bent can easily cause that. Now that backing plate, you grab gloves and stuff and you can easily pry it out, okay, so we can stay away from the disc. Let us show you what it looks here, and we're going to talk guys. Okay, we just made a video that explains, do you need to replace brake rotors every time you replace brake pads? And when do you need to replace, do I need to replace the brake rotors? So check out complete video was just made about that guys. You have the brake rotor right here, it will be installed. If that backing plate on the bottom was bent, check this thing out, what will happen. It will be right next to it, and as a result, okay, it's going to grind in the disc rotor. As a result, it will just guys cause that noise. So all you have to do is straighten it. Those are super soft sometimes, and you can easily straighten them with your fingers guys, with your hands. If they're rusted in some cases, they may actually break, so you will need to replace it. In order to do that, you will need to remove the disc rotor in order to remove the backing plate. Why? Because the bolts often guys, like these ones here, they're actually hidden. You can see 3 bolts are hidden behind the disc, so the only way to do it is actually guys, go ahead and remove the rotor so you can remove it, otherwise you will not be able to do it. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Don't stress out. In most cases it could be something really simple, but do not drive your car until you fix your problem. Ours, check this thing out, I just saw it. It's bent right here. Somebody bent it right here. That was causing a little bit of rubbing that we had here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.